Boom! Shakalaka, laka, 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 laka. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. If I can get them. Hell yeah.
Definitely heard it.
Yeah. Yeah, they're squished. They flattened them damn quarters out that pennies out to nothing. I can imagine what they do a quarter.
You know that left an indentation on the wheel.
Oh yeah, had to. Think of all the shit that's in them damn things, man. Guns,
Everything.
TVs, PlayStations, fucking couches, hardwood furniture. Those are the last cars I built, freight car. The cargo containers, they were a bitch. 5 cars make a train. You know what I'm saying? Like 5 of them complete. Like that right, beginning right there to right here, that's one train. In the end,
Seems like long.
it's picking up speed, Mike. Got a flat spot on that wheel.
Something ran over a coin.
Yeah. Yeah, brakes locked up. Not majority of them getting fucking flat spotted. Right there?
They all bounced over this way.
Damn. That's why I put mine over there in the the road.
No, they're right here somewhere. They bounced out that way. All of them. That wasn't even right here with this one. Trying to find my nickel, quarter, and dime.
Yeah.
How'd you lose a nickel, quarter, and dime?
Well, put them on the tracks to get smashed for the kids.
Oh, that shit don't work.
What the fuck it don't? I've done them a million times. He set pennies on them yesterday and got them this morning. But I watched them all when he hit them. They all bounced out this way. I put them even with this box here. On the track where the coin was sitting. There's the thermite wheel.
You lost her gas cap
To the tank or the truck.
It's one of the systems.
Awesome.
So I had a theory review one.
Damn, I can't fucking believe that quarter down the nickel in here.
Damn.
Should have stuck them out there.
That's why I put mine.
They all bounced out. I watched them all bounce.
No, laying right there in the,
So they should be right here somewhere. What is it?
oh, we put some damn money on the train track. Found one? Found it?
Lost all your money,
Yeah, all but the penny.
Hell yeah.
I don't know how the hell that happened.
Yeah, that's a lot of goddamn force.
There it is.
That's a guitar pick now.
Oh yeah. These are just raised in it for guitar pick.
Fucking crazy right there, though.
Put a flash on your phone. It should shine.